ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kumasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingtip bakambanya kol hai kini ke number harum. Ubak polling do ubudik menteri ke Sarkar Jylla ubak mi ikatran chungak kai perthai ulet hu basyan ke Sarkar Jylla ke sepin Kynriah no iki Nongdie Madan na kendailat syakadukan belashna daga Meghalaya Urban Development Authority ni ke Muda. Hal kejengkeran bagi lapatai kubor ubak polling do ulong bagi jingpen Kynriah iki Nongdie Madan na kendailat kendai bitik tang iki Nongdie Madan ki bidai hok kinong song jong Jylla hendai om iki wepat ki besu poi wer poi ham. Kini jing temu jong Sarkar kalau man pen keluar jaga kendailat ke belong kowe ni joka ke bagi nong jong kai perthai ki jurung jumi man lagasngi.
The vendors, the street vendors will have access to better facilities once they are shifted, because the facilities will be that they will have identified spaces under a roof to be provided, sheltered by government agency, the Muda, and also facilities including washroom facilities, water, etc., which they are lacking at the moment. I'm yet to know the exact location, but the process of identification will be completed within June. Their details have been collected, and we have taken care that only those who are genuine residents of Meghalaya will be entitled to these facilities. So people who have no substantial claim will certainly crib about it. But please understand also that Kynriah being outside the purview of the KHADC, anybody is free, to engage in any kind of trade without any licenses. So that also makes it again more vulnerable, because a lot of crimes also take place when unidentified persons conduct trade.
So is it the 200 numbers that you just mentioned?
200 from Kynriah, just Kynriah. 200 plus have been identified to be rehabilitated by government under the aegis of the Urban Affairs Department. Our main area of concern here is the pedestrian-free zone. The pedestrian zone of Kynriah, and we'd like to first see that once this Kynriah pedestrianization happens, then we will take it bit by bit to other areas as well. Our process has been completed. It started with the active support of these vendors groups, and whatever was required, due diligence was done, and they had voluntarily agreed to register themselves and stake claims to the spaces that government is offering them. In fact, as many as 200 of them will be rehabilitated. So I don't see any problem. 1, 2 might have an issue, but also please bear in mind that Shillong badly needs a space for pedestrians. Kynriah also now needs, all along we understand that when tourists visit, Kynriah is certainly one place on top of their destinations, and when you welcome them to the music capital of the country, you would like to hear sounds of music and not voices of people haggling for rates on the streets. So I think musicians would sound better than vendors when you hear them play, and that would elevate Shillong to a different level, and people who who are curious to know why Shillong is the music capital of India, once they walk across Kynriah, in the new Kynriah that we have thought of, they'll readily find the answer.